people talk about their weekend every Monday, but many learners don't know how to answer this simple question in English.
Today, we will fix that. Stay with us till the end. You'll learn real, natural English you can use tomorrow morning.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to NB English Studio, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Hira.
Hello, Hira, and a big hello to all our fantastic listeners. It is wonderful to be here with you again.
It is always great to be here. How are you doing today, Alex?
I am doing very well, thank you, Hira. I am feeling good today, and you? How are you?
I am great, thanks. I am excited because today is Monday.
Monday? Hira, usually people do not like Mondays. They're tired after the weekend.
That is true, but Monday is special because we can talk about the weekend.
I see. We can share stories. I like stories.
Yes, and today we have a very useful topic for our listeners. We are going to learn how to answer the question, how was your weekend?
That is a very common question. My coworkers ask me that every Monday morning. Hey, Alex, how was your weekend?
Exactly. It is the best way to start a conversation on Monday. But sometimes it is hard to find the right words in English.
Yes, because we need to talk about the past, things that finished yesterday or 2 days ago.
Correct. So today we will tell you about our weekends and we will look at the verbs we use, the past tense verbs.
That sounds perfect. I want to tell you about my weekend. It was interesting.
Oh, I want to hear about it. But wait, before we start our stories, we have a small favor to ask our friends listening.
Yes, please. If you are enjoying our podcast, subscribe to NB English Studio. It helps us so much.
And please give this episode a like, a big thumbs up. It helps other English learners find our videos.
And share it with your friends. Learning English is easier when you learn together.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Alex, are you ready to talk about the past?
I am ready. So let's start with a simple question. Hira, how was your weekend?
My weekend was very busy, Alex. I did not stop.
Really? What did you do?
Well, on Saturday morning, I went to the park. The weather was beautiful. It was very sunny.
That sounds nice.
It was. I walked for 1 hour and then I played tennis with my brother.
You played tennis? Wow, you are very active.
I try to be. I like tennis, but I'm not very good.
That is okay. It is just for fun. So you walked and you played.
Yes, walked and played.
Listeners, did you hear that? Hira said walked and played. That ED sound is very important.
Yes, for many verbs, when we talk about the past, we add ED. Walk becomes walked. Play becomes played.
It is very easy.
Yes, just add ED. What about watch, like watch TV?
Watch becomes watched.
Exactly. I watched a movie on Saturday night.
See? You're doing it. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy. It was very funny. I laughed a lot.
Laughed. Another regular verb. Laugh becomes laughed.
So I walked, I played, I watched, and I laughed.
You had a wonderful Saturday.
I did. It was great. But Alex, what about you? How was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing. I stayed at home mostly.
Stayed. Stay plus ED. Good.
Yes, I stayed home and I needed to clean my house.
Oh no, cleaning is
A
boring.
little bit, but I cleaned the kitchen and I washed my clothes.
Cleaned and washed. Regular verbs. But after that, did you relax?
Actually, I cooked a big dinner for my family.
Cooked. Nice. What did you cook?
I made pasta with a special tomato sauce.
That sounds delicious. I'm hungry now.
It was very good. Everyone liked it.
Liked. Another regular verb.
Yes, these regular verbs are simple, but
Yes, Alex?
sometimes English is not simple.
True. English can be tricky.
For example, on Sunday, I did not go to the beach.
Please do not say goed.
I know, but why not?
Because go is a rebel verb, an irregular verb.
A rebel. I love that. So what is the past of go?
The past is went.
Went? That is totally different.
Yes. So on Sunday, you went to...
I went to a restaurant.
Good. And did you eated good food?
No, not eated. Eat is a rebel too.
What is the past of eat?
Ate. I ate a big burger.
Yummy. So you went to a restaurant and you ate a burger.
Yes, and then I saw a friend.
Saw. The past of see. Who did you see?
I saw my friend Tom.
Oh, Tom is funny.
Yes, we had a good talk. We had coffee.
Had. The past of have.
These irregular verbs are everywhere.
Yes. Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw. Have, had.
We just need to memorize them.
Practice makes it easier.
Let me try another one. Buy. Is it buyed?
No.
Bought?
Yes. Bought.
I bought a cinema ticket.
Perfect.
So on Sunday, I went to a restaurant, I ate a burger, I saw Tom, and I bought a ticket.
Good job. And then did you go home?
Yes, I went home, and I was tired, so I slept.
Slept. The past of sleep.
My Sunday was full of irregular verbs.
And your Saturday was full of regular verbs.
Very true.
But Alex, there is one more thing.
What is that?
We use a helper word, did.
Ah, did.
Yes. What did you do? Where did you go? Who did you see?
So I say, where did you go? Not, where did you went?
Correct.
Nice. Where did you go? I went to the park. What did you eat? I ate pizza. Did you watch a movie? Yes, I watched a movie.
Perfect.
I feel confident already. I can talk to my boss tomorrow.
Yes. When he asks, how was your weekend, Alex? What will you say?
I will say, it was great. I went to the park, I played tennis, and I ate a good burger.
Excellent answer.
Hira, I forgot to tell you a funny story.
Oh, tell me.
On Saturday, when I played tennis, I fell.
You fell. The past of fall.
Yes, I fell on the grass.
Were you okay?
Yes, but my white shirt became green.
Oh no, grass stains.
Yes, I looked like a green monster.
Did you clean it?
I washed it, but it is still a little green.
Then it is your new tennis shirt.
Exactly.
Even small accidents make good English stories.
Very true.
And our listeners have stories too.
Yes, everyone does something on the weekend.
Even if you just relaxed.
Relaxed. Regular verb.
Or if you read a book.
Read is funny. Same spelling, different sound.
Yes. Present, read. Past, read.
English is crazy.
But that's why we love it.
Exactly.
So today we talked about regular verbs, irregular verbs, and using did for questions.
Our listeners are ready for Monday small talk.
Yes. By the way, Alex, did you have any ice cream this weekend?
Hira, how did you know?
I guessed.
I bought chocolate ice cream on Sunday.
Bought. Good. Was it good?
Delicious.
Well, our time is almost finished.
Oh, that went fast.
It did. I loved hearing about your weekend.
And I liked hearing about your clean house and pasta.
Thank you. It is nice to share.
It is. Friends share stories.
Listeners, now it is your turn. Tell us in the comments, what did you do this weekend? Did you stay home? Did you go to the park? Did you watch a movie?
Write 1 or 2 sentences in the past tense.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Truly. And please subscribe and share this episode with a friend.
Maybe you can practice talking about your weekend together.
Great idea. Thank you so much for listening today. Have a wonderful week.
Yes, have a great week and good luck with your English. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.